Reset Your Life, 50 minutes of powerful motivation to change everything. Introduction. Why you're here. There comes a time when enough is enough. You're not here by accident. You're here because you're tired of repeating the same cycle, tired of waiting for change, tired of feeling like your life is on pause. But here's the truth. You have the power to reset your life. Not tomorrow, not next year, now. This is your 50-minute journey back to clarity, to purpose, and to strength. The wake-up call. You're not broken. You're just out of alignment. Most people live in survival mode. Wake up, go to work, come home, repeat. Comfort zones are beautiful places, but nothing ever grows there. The problem isn't the world, it's the story you keep telling yourself. This is the moment to stop existing and start living intentionally. Key message. You can't change your life until you change your mind. Clarity and purpose. What are you waking up for? Most people don't lack motivation, they lack clarity. Visualize the person you want to be. What do they do daily? What do they believe? Let go of what doesn't serve you. Relationships, habits, excuses. Every decision either builds your future or buries it. Clarity is power. When you know where you're going, you stop wasting time on distractions. Build discipline, not motivation. Motivation is fleeting, discipline is what builds empires. Make discipline a habit. Get up earlier. Do what's uncomfortable. Create systems. Set up your environment for success. It's not about feeling ready, it's about showing up when you don't. Daily reset rituals to practice. Morning silence, no phone. Write your top 3 priorities. 30 minutes of movement, healing and letting go. Real growth requires healing from the past. You don't have to carry shame, regret, or guilt into your future. Forgive yourself. You did the best you could with what you had. Let go of toxic relationships. Choose peace over people pleasing. Life isn't about avoiding pain, but learning how to grow through it. You can't start the next chapter if you keep rereading the last one. Momentum and rebirth. It's not about massive leaps, it's about consistent, tiny wins. Momentum breeds confidence. Confidence fuels action. Action changes your life. Reinvent yourself. New habits, new mindset, new identity. You're not behind. You're just beginning. Challenge to the listener. Pick one thing, just one, and commit to it for the next 30 days. Start small. Start now, but never stop. The new you begins now. If you listened this far, you've already proven something. You want more. You deserve more. This isn't the end of a video, it's the start of your new chapter. Don't just be inspired, be transformed. Reset your life. Today, right now. Headphones. Subscribe to Mind.